Today's vlog day. We are headed to Forest Creek. It is miserable outside. It's been raining for like 3 days. So I just got word though that they finished the interior of one of the houses, so we actually get to go shoot inside today. Which I'm really excited about because we haven't got to shoot the inside of one of these houses since we started working with them almost a year ago. I'm gonna take the kids to school and then we're gonna head up to Oak Ridge. Hey Jude, you ready to go? That's the third part of Forefront Media you never get to see. He's the one that writes all the captions and schedules all the posts. So he's never in the field, which is why you never get to see him on the vlog. Tristan, tell me how Forefront Media is the greatest company to work for in the world.
It's so good because
cool. There he is, going off to get an education.
hi, Father.
Goodbye, son. Learn well today. Learn well. Little baby, he's all grown up. Now it's Jude's turn to go to school.
No.
No,
Mm-mm.
I gotta go to work though.
I don't like to go soon.
All your friends are here. I'm sorry. Okay, bye. Look at you, big boy, the big old SD card.
I went to Best Buy at like 8 o'clock last night because I almost forgot about it.
I don't think I'm gonna keep that DJI action cam.
Which action?
The one that I replaced the GoPro with for the drone, the FPV drone.
You have too many cameras for me to keep with.
I had the GoPro 12, lost it in the lake.
Yeah.
And I had the GoPro 11
Oh, it's a back.
as a backup, and I sold that one and got the DJI Action 5 because I wanted to like match it to
And
the drone footage better.
you weren't a fan.
It doesn't do 8:7 aspect ratio. It only does 4:3.
Oh, yes.
So you don't get any extra height, so you can't crop it vertically and horizontally.
Well, that's not very good. So what are you going to do? Go find another?
I'm just gonna return it because I got it from Amazon. I'm good about returns.
No.
And then just get another GoPro 13.
So you're going to spend even more money.
No, they're the same price as the Action 5s. Let me see your gimbal. Oh, yeah. Shooting the vlog on the A7 III today because I got to use the A7 IV for photos in a little bit.
Okay, how do I put this in here so I don't mess up? Is it this thing right here? There.
Oh, I brought you some stuff.
Oh, Lord. Like I need.
I brought you one of these. It's a time-lapse camera. They're awesome because they use Sony sensors in them.
Oh.
But you use an app on your phone. So just look that up on the App Store, and then it just could do Wi-Fi.
Oh, great. I got the $30 one.
Here.
This one's not fitting my...
It will. Call yourself a professional.
I'm not. All right. Oh, and I got to figure out how to do log on this thing.
I'm digging the vibe of this place this morning.
Yeah.
You like my old school circa 2010 vlogging setup?
I saw those.
This is how Casey Neistat and Peter McKinney used to do it, like with the Gorilla Pod and then just a Sony on it. This house is crazy. We got a big old major catastrophe going on. Griff's camera's bugging out on him. He's not too happy right now, so we're gonna leave him alone. Let him try and fix that. What we're about to do is go through this house and do a walkthrough with Matt from Forest Creek. He's the developer that's developing this whole neighborhood. And this is our first time actually getting to go inside these houses. You've seen a lot on his page of us doing the outside. So like a lot of construction stuff with drone footage and stuff. But this is the first time one's been clean enough for us to come in and document. So we're gonna do a lot of photos, we're gonna do a lot of video, kind of just oversaturate all of our catalog and our archive to pull from because we don't know when we'll be able to come and do another one. So we're gonna kind of just overshoot and get everything that we need. This house is beautiful. So we're gonna get Matt on camera to talk about it and then kind of do our thing and go through and try it out.
through my memory card and it just went system error. Like,
Forefront Media, or Gear Comes to Die. Do firmware only. If that doesn't work, you might want to send it to her.
great. My camera sucks. It's turned off, by the way, and I just powered on. It's doing it. It's Elon Musk. That's what it is. He's taking over my technology. See me and get it. It does it. There it goes. And it's off. Show it. The camera is off.
What's this? All right, we're gonna attempt a firmware update on his camera, see if that works. So we're gonna head over to my house and try. I feel like this whole vlog should be in black and white.
With the slow sounding music and oh man. All I'm saying is though, it didn't do this until he turned my Wi-Fi on. That's all I'm saying.
Just waiting on Griff to get here. We're in home. My puppy. So I'm gonna make some coffee and then wait on Griff.
Oh, we're at the, what do we call this? The dungeon? Studio. We're gonna try to see if my camera is possessed or I just don't know how to update anything. Start leave it running.
Yeah, I guess. More I have with the software. It's called Go.
Just chilling. Here's the dog. Oh, I woke her up. Whoops. And she's just gonna stare at me. Yeah. What are you looking at? Oh, what are you looking at? Tail's wagging. I'm gonna not scare my dog. Yeah, your dog. Do I have to do this to all my cards?
No, just get the camera. It's 3.
Yeah, every time I connect it to a wire, that's what that says on my gimbal.
My horror basement.
You know what? Bye vlog.
So that was still running.
Okay.
Alright.
Does that work?
No.
Are we gonna summarize what happened?
Yeah, so the final verdict is we suck.
We?
Our job. Hey, you crashed a dump.
Ryan decided to turn on Wi-Fi, and
I was trying to help him by like connecting to his gimbal for him so he could, use the gimbal the way you're supposed to use a gimbal.
broke my camera.
Broke his camera.
Broke my camera. So to donate to the cause, you can hit this link right here.
Go see Griff's OnlyFans page.
You know what? If this gets 1 million views, I'll start an OnlyFans page.
If it gets 10 views, I'll pay you to not make an OnlyFans. For cheap free Wi-Fi. Well. Yeah, so the final verdict is he's sending his camera in for repair.
I'm gonna switch to Nikon.
You're fired. This one is like in such mint condition, like it literally still has the plastic on the bottom, like the protective film. Have you ever used one?
No.
Like a film camera.
Older than me.
Well, like a film camera in general.
No, those things are old.
If you look through it,
I don't see it.
that little box in the middle,
Yeah.
you'll see 2 different pictures, and when you focus by lining those pictures up together, don't take a picture, Scott.
I don't even know how. Oh, yeah. Well,
They're fun. I like taking them on vacation. Could
how do I turn this thing off?
just turn that wheel to.
Vlog ends. Vlog had to end.
I don't know what's still on.
Yeah. If I could find that and record, but